Let's get ready for a 5-minute time out of your day. So find a quiet place to be, lay down, or find a comfortable seated position. Welcome yourself to this quiet place by starting to take a few deep, full, expansive breaths. Breathe in expansion through the nose, inflating the entire body. Exhale, letting go of stress, tension, and worry. A couple more at your own pace. Feeling the forehead broadening, jaw relaxing, and tongue coming down away from the corners of your mouth. Allow your breath to settle into its natural rhythm of relaxation. I'm going to take us on a beautiful journey of transporting you into one of your most favorite places in the world to restore your feeling of optimism, positivity, and increase your mood. So take a moment to choose your most favorite place in the world. It could be real or fictitious, and don't get caught up in finding the perfect place. Just choose whichever one comes first to mind. Now imagine that you're just arriving to this place. You've nothing with you, not even your phone, as you start walking. You notice yourself settling in, feeling the expansiveness. And I want you to take a moment to focus in on what you see. Look around 360 degrees and get very specific with what you are seeing. You feel yourself relaxing, your heart opening as you enjoy this beautiful scene around you. You continue walking, and now you're focusing in on what you hear. Open your ears and notice. You feel the warmth in your heart and feel a smile emerging on your face. Now you focus in on what you smell. Take note and enjoy all the scents around you. Maybe the fresh mountain air, the salty ocean air. As you continue walking, you find the perfect place to sit or lie down. Imagine yourself sinking into the comfort of your scene, the comfort beneath you. You sit or lie down and fully take in all around you, feeling full expansion, full happiness. You're going to continue to deepen your breaths here. As you breathe, feel the love, the excitement get bigger in your body. And as you relax and exhale, feel stress melting away. You feel fully enriched. You feel happy and serene. Stay here for as long as you can. And if you need to move on, breathe deeply. Capture this feeling in your heart, bowing to yourself. Namaste.